am at 19 Town Mills. Town Mills is a small development just down here in Newport, quite close to the Kenzie River and the ducks, and you know, a place that people like to come and admire the ducks and the river and the little bridge. And behind me is the house itself. It's on 3 levels, 4 bedrooms. It's got the garage underneath the coach house, which you can get to from the back garden, which is enclosed. And if you'd like more information, have a look at the video and then please book a viewing.